Do you want to change up your style? Learning how to braid is a quick and easy style that you can wear in many different ways. For this hairstyle, you will need a brush and a hair tie. To start, you will need to brush out your hair completely so there are no tangles. Next, you will split your hair into 3 even sections. Take the 3 equal sections in your hand. Take the first section and cross it into the second section while still holding onto the 3 pieces. Next, you will take the third section and cross it into the middle section while still holding onto the middle piece. Every time you cross a piece of hair into the center, another piece replaces it, so you will need to repeat this process all the way down to the end of your hair by crossing each section into the center. Once you reach the end, you will take your hair tie and wrap it around the end to keep it in place. Now you have the perfect and simple hairstyle that you can wear every day.